Aditya Dengar. So here I am with the workflow for the Excel data presentation on charts. So as per the given requirement, I'll take just for the quick demo, I'll take the only two. So first one is checking based on the count of hashtags in a post, how does it correlate with the average play counts? So I'm not taking average play count, I'm just taking the overall count so that we can see exactly and then we can find the trend. Okay, so count hashtags count against the play count and then count of hashtags against the average likes. So if I have plotted all the counts of the each number of hashtags, and here you can see most at a glance you might see a smaller peaks, but overall you will see the higher peaks are ranging up to 6 hashtags maximum, and then below that it's getting decreased. But this is not a good presentation of the data. But here, on the other hand, if we aggregate all the hashtag, the count of hashtag against the play counts, the cumulative response is showing on the vertical axis its play count, and on the right on the horizontal axis its tag count. So you can see up to eight hashtags. Yeah, up to 8 hashtags, we are having a good play count, which is ranging up to 100 million above. Whereas from 8 to 20, 8 to 15, you can call it, yeah, we are getting up to 20 million play counts, and whereas more than 15 hashtags, there are less than almost like it's in hundred of thousands only, not the millions. So you can summarize it in a way that okay, we have up to 8 hashtags. If we have 8 hashtags, we are having the highest count. If you think that this makes sense. Similarly, if we go to the other hand, the likes against the play count. Again, on this chart, when we plot all the play counts against the likes count, you will see a overall distributed thing. The play count is overall distributed. But if we make the aggregation for all the ones, twos, and three, you will see the similar sort of chart, because the obviously you can only like the ones which are being played. If those are if a if a video is not being played, then yeah, you obviously you will have the less counts of likes on the other hand. So it's similarly showing like it's both of the charts are showing similar trend, and it makes sense if these two are correlating. But the like count against the play count will always be the similar trend, because obviously again the videos are played more will be obviously have the chances of liking more. Now someone is pressing the like if they are playing those. So again, the trend is up to 8 likes. We are having maximum 8 likes. We are having more likes, but up to 8 likes, and there are those are being played more than 6 million times. Again, yeah. So these are the two charts. If those make sense, please do let me know so that we can define the other things. We can move to the third one based on the length of the caption per post. How does it may impact on the average play count? So we can discuss all of the others if I have any other question, because yeah, there are a lot of, and I don't want to spend time on it if it is not making sense. And yeah, the Google Sheets are good. I can make a system where you can just update the data. There is another question about the data. So we have multiple tabs of the data. So I don't know how you are going to use those. Are you going to use those as separate data sets, or you want to combine all of those in one data set and then plot the data? So we can discuss the details, and yep, looking forward for your response. Take care, bye.